Hi everyone! Today we continue our series of videos on how to set up our extensions for different marketing purposes. We have already rolled out video guides to mega menu and promo banners with most wanted use cases. Unfold this video description to find the links. And now I'm going to show you two ways you can set up our Delete Orders extension to deal with routine Magento tasks faster, saving your time and effort. Use case number 1. Make your messy order grid look neat by deleting junky orders. Many shops suffer from the mess in their order documents. You can't help making a mistake. While your order managers create orders by accident, the grid is filling up with superfluous information. This interferes with the work and affects collecting reliable analytics. Unfortunately, you can't delete the junky orders using default Magento settings. This is where our module can help. Simply choose the orders you'd like to delete and proceed with the action. To delete an order, go to Sales, Orders. Then choose the order under the Orders tab and click Delete Permanently. Use case number 2. Save access to deleted orders, moving them to archive. Say you want to delete orders from your store and clean the grid, but you have doubts. What if you ever need some of the order information in the future? Backup will help you hide completed orders from the grid. Thus, the module will keep them in memory, giving your store managers a possibility to find everything they need at any time. To archive an order, go to Stores, Configuration. Find the Order Archive under the Amasty Extensions tab and put the needed days period in the Archive Orders Older Than tab. Let it be 15 days. Choose the exact order status in the Order Status to Apply to tab. Let's archive pending orders. Then put the Save Config tab. This is how delete orders can help you keep your grid neat and up to date. And how do you manage orders? Do you use vanilla Magento or extend it with add-ons? Share this with us in the comments below. Click subscribe to stay on top.